a very warm welcome to Anokhi by Dia. Anokhi by Dia now basically manifests in anti-tarnish jewelry. Anti-tarnish jewelry is something which is made on stainless steel jewelry which can be worn 24/7. You can use water on it, you can use soap on it, but just avoid perfume and sanitizer or any kind of alcoholic liquid in it. Do not spray it immediately to it. Wear it 24/7, and these doesn't cause you any allergies or any rashes. They won't do that. Okay. So we are also there on Facebook. Our Facebook page Anokhi by Ria. Do go and follow that. And also we do regular lives there. And also click onto the link to our WhatsApp group. We post regular product updates there. And also do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We will be uploading a lot of content in here so that shopping becomes easier to you. We offer free shipping on 2 or more products and 10 rupees extra off from your third product. Like within the single dispatch, if you order more than 2 products, you get a 10 rupees off from your third product. Okay, so let's start.
Oh 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 oh. Oh 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 oh. Oh 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 oh. Oh 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 oh. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Oh 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 oh. Oh oh. 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 Ooh, oh 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 oh. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Ooh, oh. Ooh, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Ooh, oh. Oh 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 oh. Oh 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 oh. Oh 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 oh. Oh 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 oh. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Oh 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 oh. Oh oh. 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 Ooh, oh 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 oh. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Ooh, oh. Ooh, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Ooh, oh. Oh 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 oh. Oh 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 oh. Oh 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 oh. Oh 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 oh. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.
To the video. That was all for today's video. I hope you guys loved it. So we will be uploading a lot of content up on YouTube as well, so that shopping becomes a more easier task for you guys. So I hope you loved each and every product today. Please let us know how you like